Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. So in this video I'm going to start sharing how I customize my motorcycle. Everything started when I found this frame, but I did not get it, so the idea stuck with me and I found another bike, so I got it. Then I started making the fairing from sheet metal. I started by making a rough shape out of cardboard. I transfer the shape to sheet metal. Then I used my snips to cut away the excess material. And this is my first time working with sheet metal. This is why I used thin sheet metal, so it will be easier to bend and forgiven if I made mistakes. And my idea is every piece of the fairing should be made from single piece of sheet metal. I put the bend line from both sides, so it will be easier to keep track of which bend goes where. So here I'm using like a steel bar to bend the pieces. And guys, please subscribe and like. It helps out the channel. Thank you so much. I'm here testing out how it looks like on the bike. And I think I made some mistakes. I cut some pieces short, then I will fix them later. And please, if everyone have a feedback or how I can make it better, let me know. And this is how it looks like from the rear. And for brazing, I used my homemade torch and my homemade oxygen concentrated that I modified so I can braze with. And this is the pieces that I cut short. Now I have to fix them. So let the brazing begin.